What men need from women is not the same as what women need from men. What women need from men is not the same as what men need from women. We all know that what men need from women is only the physical part and the support, emotional support. That's taking care of the man in terms of his needs, physical needs, and his support, which is called appreciation. Nothing else. I don't need a woman to cook for me. I don't need a woman to clean for me. I don't need a woman also physically, okay? But I choose to have this woman with me by my side because she will be my support, my backbone to produce later on kids, and she is the woman that I have chose to be the mother of my kids later on, okay? This is what men need from women. But what women need from men is that power of protection. What is protection? Physical protection, mental protection, emotional, okay, and financial protection, which covers their expenses and their... So when you're telling me that a woman can be independent, yes, she can be independent, and that's a very good thing, and it's a very positive thing, and it's a cherry on top of the cake of the relationship if she's independent and she has her own income, for instance. If my wife is independent and she has her own income, her money is her money, but my money is our money.